by IEWT, Islamic Educational and Welfare Trust. It is a value-based non-profit making welfare English medium institution committed to developing creative and independent individuals. Through a rich cultural, moralistic and academic program, it motivates students to find their own unique strengths and contribute to society in turn. The school follows a general syllabus of the ICSE, Indian Certificate of Secondary Education. The school believes in giving students a modern, qualitative and all-round education which combines the best of spiritual and practical views, providing students with a range of appropriate educational and social experiences which prepare them for the future. A philosophy of continuous development, modern techniques and teaching aids as a part of scientific method of teaching. The school is situated at Park Circus in Kolkata. Due to space crunch, the primary section is held from 7:30 am to 10:55 am and the secondary section is held from 11 am to 4:20 pm. The present premises of the school is in a residential building. This causes inconvenience to students and staff. The new premises of the school is at 44D by 1 Shamsul Huda Road, Kolkata 7,17,000 under Police Station, Kadaya.
My name is Shadab Yusuf. I am a student of Peace and Day School and I study in class 9. This class is for nursery students. We have many problems, we have many queries, and we can't sit properly, we can't stretch our leg. We request you to give new benches and solve our problems.
The new building will cost the school about rupees 1 crore 20 lakhs. In addition to this, another rupees 20 lakhs will be required for furniture, electrical fixture, library and laboratory equipments. So total project cost comes to rupees 1 crore 40 lakhs, that is rupees 14 million only. Out of this amount, rupees 30 lakhs has been paid and the remaining is to be paid in installments according to the progress in construction. As the school is in dire need of at least rupees 1 crore 10 lakhs to augment its reserve fund to meet the expenses. The teaching staff appeals to all to contribute generously and help us in our endeavor to uplift the educational and social status of those who are less fortunate. Here are the teachers of the primary and secondary section. The school has a well-stocked library with a sitting capacity of only 20 students. It contains books on a variety of subjects and a substantial collection of reference books in various disciplines. Computer studies is an integral part of the school's curriculum. The computer lab, which has the latest PCs, is used for specific lessons in computer applications. But the room is too small to accommodate the necessary number of computers. The school's laboratory is well equipped and serves as a valuable means of enhancing the teaching and learning of the sciences.
एक तो ये बिल्डिंग जो है बैक पोर्शन में है और दूसरा तकलीफ ये है कि ये पैसेज है, अपना पैसेज इतना नैरो है कि इतना सारे बच्चे जाने आने में इतनी तकलीफ होती है कुछ कहने का बात नहीं है। नीचे में जो रेसिडेंशियल टेनेंट भी नीचे में रहते हैं वो भी नीचे बैठ के कपड़े धो रहे हैं, तो कोई खाना बना रहे हैं, आने जाने में प्रॉब्लम में खड़े रहते हैं, बच्चे लोग को दिक्कत होता है जाने आने में। अभी बारिश का मौसम है, बारिश होता है तो ऐसा होता है पेरेंट्स बाहर बिक रहे हैं, बच्चे अंदर कश में खड़े हैं, ये विंडो वगैरह से बारिश अंदर आ जाती है। और क्लासरूम वगैरह इतना छोटा, इतना नैरो है कि एक क्लासरूम में इतने सारे बच्चे बैठे हुए रहते हैं, बच्चे पढ़ सकते हैं, कंफर्टेबल फील बच्चे हैं, ठीक है ना। और ब्लैक बोर्ड इतना हाइट में रहता है कि ब्लैक बोर्ड पे उठा के गद्दा उठा के देखना, फिर नीचे करना, देखना नीचे में विषय में उनको प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है, गले में प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है। बकायद जो एक ही है कि ये मकान जो है ये फुलफिल नहीं है बच्चे की पढ़ने के लिए, ठीक है। इसके लिए एक खुला मिला अच्छा बड़ा जगह होना चाहिए, क्योंकि स्कूल का इतना नाम है, इतने अच्छे पढ़ाई लिखाई है, सिर्फ ये स्कूल इसलिए बैक कर जा रहा है आपका जिसमें एकोमोडेशन तक कम्प्लीट नहीं है आपका। तो हमारे यहाँ पेरेंट्स होने के नाते यही हमारी रिक्वेस्ट है कि जो मकान बन रहा है उसके लिए अगर फंड बाहर से आ जाए तो ये तकलीफ जो है वो दूर हो जाएगा और हमारे बच्चे अच्छे से पढ़ सकेंगे और हमारे बच्चे अच्छे से पढ़ के एजुकेशन हासिल कर सकते हैं।
There is so little space. I wish we had a bigger classroom. Yes, of course, I also wish. We have PG today, but we have no playground. Yes, I wish we had a playground.
The school encourages various extracurricular activities to enable students to discover their own individuality and leadership quality, to find confidence in their own worth, and to develop love and respect for others. The school encourages students to pursue their own interests in debates, craft work, and creative writing, etc. Education is simply the soul of a society, as it passes from one generation to another.
I'm Zaida Qasim, Secretary of Crescent Day School. A decade ago, the challenges we faced in the school were many. Most students were first generation learners. In spite of that, many students have been pursuing higher studies now, such as MBA. One is pursuing studies in BTech Electronic and Electrical Communication at IIT Kharagpur, which is a very prestigious institution. These students not only inspire their siblings but also other students in their locality, such as the unprivileged boys and girls. We appeal to all to help us in our endeavor to extend guidance to more students and nurture them to bloom beautifully. Thank you.
An appeal. On behalf of Crescent Day School, we once again appeal to all viewers to put in their suggestions and help generously in all ways possible. Thank you. Our banking information is as follows.